It hacks, it slashes, and it's got too much of a curve in the handle. So we're gonna have to straighten that out just a smidge because I don't like the fact that when I'm swinging it wants to shoot, go down there. So we're gonna fix that first thing. But welcome back to the shop. Let's get forging.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper that second morning's
Okay, so right now we have it in the forge. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna straighten out the bevel on the blade because down the line they got a little bit of wibble and wobble in each direction. So we're gonna go ahead and straighten that out. Okay, so we got it all straightened out. Now we're gonna go ahead, get it all evenly heated up, and then go for the quench.
Now that it's in the vise, I'm checking for straightness and making sure it's all lined up.
So this is what we got after hardening. Now there's a slight wobble in there, but to be honest, I don't think it's going to affect it in the testing or anything like that. It is an Orc style blade, and I doubt Orc's blade were always straight and perfect. Plus with how thin this is, I'm afraid that if I mess with it anymore, I'll break it. And I don't want to break it. I want to use it. I want to have fun with it. So we're going to continue on with the project. So the next step is we're going to take our angle grinder, we're going to run a line right down the back right here, just so we can see those colors, and then we're going to go ahead and do a little torch temper on it. So this is going to be blue backed, so we have a nice hard edge and a blue spine, so that means we're going to have flexibility but yet rigidity. So let's go ahead and chuck this up in the vise and get it warm. So I went ahead and ran this on the grinder. Now you got that nice clean steel. We can see the colors change when we need to. We're not going to work back here. We're just going to do from here to here first, and then once we get this taken care of, then we'll move back to here. So let's get at it. Now that we're tempered, let's start grinding. So, after I got the blade sharpened up, this is where we're at. I think it's pretty nice. It's definitely sharp. Give me a second here, or I will do a paper cut test. A piece of paper. Oh yeah. Now, let's see if it cuts a water bottle. That's it for this one. I'll see you guys next time. I appreciate the support, guys. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. And I'll see you next time. Have a good night.